I've realised that the best way to make money in property is not to own property, it's to control property. See this big apartment block right here? Whoever built this apartment block or whoever owns these apartments might be renting these out, making a bit of money. In fact, I'll tell you how much rent they're paying. So how much rent do people pay to live in this apartment block?
$750.
About $750?
Yeah.
Okay, so people are paying £750 per month to live in the apartment block. So let's go and have a look around some of the apartments. You might be thinking, £750, £750, all these apartment blocks, £750, £750. The landlords, the developers are getting rich. But actually, let me show you something really, really interesting. Beautiful, oh nice. Okay to come in?
Yeah, of course.
All right, good. So you pay $750.
Yeah.
It looks lovely, by the way.
Thank you.
Do you live here?
No.
So you pay $750. What do you do with this property if you don't live here?
I rent it out on short-term lets.
So you rent it out like on booking.com, Airbnb?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, cool. It looks fabulous. I mean, honestly, so nice. I like that. Life is short. Eat dessert first. That's great. So how much do your guests pay per night on average to be here?
£90 a night.
£90?
Yes.
Nice. You've done so well, by the way, furnishing this. It just looks good. So they pay £90 a night, you're paying $750. I don't need to be great at maths to work out that you're in profit, right? So how much on average, how much profit do you make from this property on average?
Average about £750.
That's brilliant. So you're getting paid, and is that profit?
That's profit.
So the landlord's charging $750, he's got costs, you're making profit of $750.
Yes.
That's incredible. Show me the lounge.
So that's the living room.
Yep.
This is the bedroom.
Nice.
Beds.
What made you... Oh, zip beds.
Like you taught me.
Yeah. What made you decide to go with a zip bed?
Because our aim is for contractors.
Yeah.
This way we've got more target audience for 2 people rather than just a couple.
Yes.
Or 1 person.
Very smart. Very smart. Was it in good condition when you got it? Did you have to refurb it at all?
We had to just paint it overall.
Right.
But that's it.
And how much money did you spend on total? What was your down payment on all the furniture, painting, deposit, rent, absolutely everything? How much did you pay?
So rent $750, just under $3,000.
Oh, right. Did you pay deposit?
No deposit.
How did you get out of that one?
Well, I told him this is not for a normal tenant.
Yeah.
Tenants. I'm a company.
Right. So you'll be taking deposits off your guests?
Yes.
Right.
Doesn't really make sense to take deposits.
Perfect. So, okay. I mean, the views are fabulous. So I've got a couple of questions. Firstly, legalities. Is this legal?
Absolutely.
Why is it legal?
Because it's through management contracts.
So it's not subletting?
No, that's completely...
It's no different from what hotels do when they rent the building and lease it out to guests every night. It's the same.
Yeah.
So, okay, so you've got the right contracts, you've got permission from the landlord. Yes. There's no head lease restrictions on the block.
Nope.
You've got service, you've got key safes outside.
Yeah.
Does this really get booked up? Do people really pay £90 a night to be here?
Yeah, I literally just had my 100% occupancy this month.
Wow. And you got a booking this morning?
This morning, literally.
For how much?
Well, it was £90 a night. She booked it for 43 nights.
43 nights?
That's literally a month and 2 weeks.
Yeah, so it's fully booked up, and you're making, I mean, you said average is about £750 a month. At fully occupancy, it's over £1,000.
Yes.
So, absolutely incredible. What will be your words of advice to somebody wanting to do serviced accommodation, wanting to do this? What would you say?
100% educate yourself first. Invest in yourself, because you're not going to learn everything from videos, from other people. You need to invest in yourself.
Right.
Get educated, because things we went through in this property, if we didn't have gone to your courses, for example, we wouldn't have known what to do.
If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment, and we'll see you next time. Well done.
Thank you.